In the vast theater of human achievement, where genius and innovation dance upon the grand stage of history, few stories are as captivating and dramatic as the history of artificial intelligence. This narrative unfolds like an epic, filled with visionary thinkers, astonishing breakthroughs, and the relentless pursuit of a dream that has forever changed the course of our existence. Join us now as we embark on a journey through the ages, where machines learned to think and humanity dared to create life from circuitry and code. The birth of a dream. Our tale begins in the early 20th century, a time when computing was in its infancy. Imagine a world where the most complex calculations required vast teams of human mathematicians, and computing machines were hulking monoliths of mechanical ingenuity. Yet in this era of giant leaps, visionaries like Charles Babbage and Ada Lovelace sowed the seeds of what we now call A. Babbage, conceived the difference engine, while Lovelace, enchantress of algorithms, envisioned the limitless potential of these calculating machines. The fires of World War II. As the world plunged into the turmoil of World War II, a crucible of innovation was forged. The urgency of the conflict led to the development of machines like the Colossus, designed to break the seemingly unbreakable Nazi codes. Meanwhile, Alan Turing, a brilliant mind haunted by questions of machine intelligence, laid the philosophical groundwork for AI with his probing inquiry. Can machines think? The quest for AI was gaining momentum, fueled by the fires of war. The Age of Imagination. The post-war era brought a surge of interest in AI, captured in the imaginations of sci-fi visionaries and Hollywood directors. From RUR to Metropolis, machines that could think and feel became fixtures of popular culture. Yet the gap between fiction and reality remained vast, as the technology of the day struggled to breathe life into these mechanical dreamers. The Dartmouth Conference, a dawn of hope. In the summer of 1956, at Dartmouth College, a seminal event unfolded. A group of brilliant minds, including John McCarthy, Marvin Minsky, Nathaniel Rochester, and Claude Shannon, convened for what would be known as the Dartmouth Workshop. Their goal? To birth the field of artificial intelligence. It was here that the term artificial intelligence was first coined, marking the beginning of a new era. The quest for AI had an official name and a collective sense of purpose. Peaks and valleys. As the years rolled on, the history of AI was marked by peaks of progress and valleys of disillusionment. Expert systems, neural networks, and the emergence of machine learning algorithms paved the way for AI applications, but each success was met with sobering limitations. Funding ebbed and flowed, as did public enthusiasm, leading to what some dubbed the AI winter. The AI resurgence. But the dramatic history of AI had more twists and turns in store. In the 21st century, the resurgence of AI astonished the world. Breakthroughs in deep learning, big data, and computing power unleashed the potential that had been dormant for decades. AI began to permeate our lives, from virtual assistants to autonomous vehicles, healthcare diagnostics to finance. Conclusion. As our dramatic journey through the history of AI comes to a close, we find ourselves at the precipice of an AI-powered future. The dream that once seemed distant and elusive now stands on the cusp of reality. From the visions of Babbage and Lovelace to the cutting-edge technologies of today, the history of AI is a testament to the indomitable spirit of human curiosity and innovation. As we look ahead, we can only wonder what the next act in this extraordinary saga will bring. And that, my friends, brings us to the end of our riveting journey today. I hope you enjoyed this exploration of history of AI. But the adventure doesn't stop here. There's a whole world of knowledge waiting for you. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video enlightening and share it with your fellow explorers of the digital universe. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and ring that notification bell so you never miss out on our future expeditions. Feel free to leave your thoughts, questions, or suggestions in the comments below. I love hearing from all of you. Remember, the pursuit of knowledge is a never-ending quest, and I'm thrilled to have you all as fellow adventurers on this incredible journey. Until next time, stay curious, keep exploring, and let's continue to make the world a more informed and exciting place, one video at a time.